Good morning, everybody. Hi, how you doing? I am doing an unboxing today. This one is from the Wreath Shop, and it's a small unboxing. It's not huge, but it's got different things in it than you usually see me unbox. So I thought I'd share with you guys. So let me get my handy dandy scissors. See if I can. She's taped up good. And these scissors are extra sharp, so. Well. There we go. Doesn't want to be unboxed. Okay, here we go. So yeah, I like the Wreath Shop. I like, they have nice sales, weekly sales. And what I found about them is that they had the grapevine size that I really wanted to try. So this is kind of like a fall haul, if that makes sense. I got like meshy colors and everything that have to do with fall. So let's do that. So that's what it is. I like this farmhouse. I have it in blue and I have it in orange, and I really like it. I want to get the black, but I can't find the black. But I have it in orange now, so that's good. I'm gonna move this way so I can tuck under. And a solid orange, just to have a solid orange. And I really, really, really love, now every place I usually get this from is out of stock. I don't know if you can see, probably can't tell, but it's just a really nice black mesh. It's got like, it's kind of metallic, but it's really thick. Oh gosh, you're not going to be able to see. So the number on, I think if anybody wanted a black mesh, it's like shiny, and it's got like the little pom-poms in here. It's all the things. So it's RE1367E7. You're gonna have a hard time finding it, but the Wreath Shop, the Wreath Shop has it. If it will focus. Anyway, if you need the number again, let me know, and I will send it to you. But I really, really like that mesh. I just like the effect it gives. So there's that. Well, I thought I had a ribbon. Pretty sure I had a ribbon. I did. I have two ribbons. Alright, so maybe they're in the center. Oh, they're in the center. So I have had good luck finding 18-inch grapevines, but I haven't had very good luck finding the 16-inch. Okay, so 14's, again, 14 inches small. But these ones, oh, these are nice. They're not very filled with like a lot of debris. There's some leaves, but they're nice and round. The thing is about the Wreath Shop right now, I'm sure they're working with limited quantities because the 16 inch is hard to come by. So you can only get 5 at a time. So I will probably go back on and order like another 5. But so yeah, these are all nicely rounded. They're not looking like they're odd shaped or anything. So I mean, they're gonna need some cleanup, like all grapevines, but I'm glad I got them. I think I think what happens is with the 16-inch, see 18-inch, putting a 10-inch sign on there, it looks really small. But when you use a 16-inch, doesn't that look really good? It's like the perfect size to fit in there, to still have your grapevine show and have all your florals. That's why I got the 16-inch. So, super happy about that. Very happy about that. And I got, like I said, I got 2 ribbons. I got the breast cancer awareness ribbons, which will be, that's October. October is breast cancer month. So I have some, well, you saw that one sign, but I've got other signs that are, it's an RG ribbon. So, yeah, breast cancer awareness. It's probably the only pink thing I have coming for fall this year. And then I started with this ribbon. I think I got it from Creek Road originally. And then when I was just snooping around the Wreath Shop to find some grapevines, I saw this sage ribbon again. It's so pretty. It's very, very pretty. A lot of your ribbons that come off as being sage are either mossy or they're teal color, and this one is a true sage. It's really, really pretty. And that's gonna go with a lot of my fall stuff. So like I said, it was a tiny unboxing, but I wanted to share for anybody that's looking for those 16-inch grapevines. Wreath Shop has them. So if you're looking, that's where you can go and get them. There may be other places, but that's the place I found them this time. So happy shopping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.